I find it interesting that Cathie Wood has been buying this stock every single day, and right now it's trading at $1.22. It's been hovering the floor of $1 multiple times, but it's had its nice runs, and we have traded in and out of the stock all of this last year, a little bit of 2022, I believe, but mainly in 2023 is when we started locking in on this company and started trading it, right? And I go over all of these trading strategies with the Patreon down below. It's $7 a month if you want access to that. We have a great community, but more about this stock, ticker symbols DNA. I'm gonna show you in a second how much Cathie Wood and ARK Invest has been buying, and they've been buying every single day. Before I get into any more information, all I ask that you drop a like, you subscribe, of course. That helps the channel grow. I would always appreciate that. Leave a comment. Let me know if you're holding this stock, if you're selling, if you're buying. What is your plan? Where do you think this stock can go? Because I have shared price targets on this channel based off Fibonacci, volume, support, resistance, all of it, right? RSI, big indicator that we use. Let's get right into it. See, on the 30th, she bought shares, which was 2 days ago. On the 25th, she's been buying shares. The amount is right here. The 24th, she bought more shares, hundreds of thousands of shares. The 23rd right here, they bought more shares, thousands of shares. 23rd, 22nd, more shares. Every day they've been buying this stock. And even the 19th, they bought more shares. And the last time they bought before this was in November. So they didn't buy any in December, but they've been buying it up the last week or so. Okay, so why do you think that is? Now, DNA has been putting out some big news, so I will show you the charts today and really what I've drawn up and what I think could potentially happen for DNA stock. The last purchase I bought was at $1.26. Right now we're trading at $1.22 for DNA. We cover a lot of other stocks also, so let me know down below what stocks you would like me to cover, but I do find it interesting that ARK Invest is just buying it up. They must think this stock is gonna be $2 plus. That would be, from my perspective, outside looking in, there would be no reason for them to be buying the stock every single day if they didn't see massive returns happening. So here's a couple things that I've drawn up for you all. We have the RSI right here, the stochastic right here. You can see DNA has just fallen down. And this was an important level that I updated everyone on that. This was the all-time low. We actually tested the all-time low, which was about $1.12. The last time we touched $1.12 in this area was back in May of 2023. And then DNA ran from $1.12 and it peaked at $2.54. So over 150% return on investment. Now that took several months, but still a solid return. So again, what recently happened is we touched the same area that we touched in May and we held support. Now we've had a little run and now we're coming back down. So what I would like to see and what I think will happen, because there's no reason that Cathie and ARK Invest is buying this stock if they think this is gonna go below $1.12 and break the all-time support, right? And then create a new all-time low. I just don't see it happening for a couple different reasons. One being the RSI right now. We're trading above this yellow line, which is good. Momentum is gonna start moving up. The stochastic, you can see right here, starting to curl up. And also we're just making a higher low. So we're basically pulling back. And even if you take a Fibonacci from the all-time low, which you guys can't see on here, and you bring it from this low to this high, the 786 level is $1.18, and the 618 level is exactly where we were at right now, at $1.22. So I would like to see DNA hold at least $1.18, and then we could start to see the move higher. You could see I drew this blue line for you all. This is basically my next area that I'm looking for. I'm not buying and selling every day for DNA right now. I've just been accumulating, and I'm really looking for the 618 level, which is, to let you know, about $1.60, $1.59. But then ultimately we could get up to the 786 level. There's a ton of volume in this area that you want to be aware of. The 786 level is actually $1.73. Now it's going to be very volatile on the way up. I think there will be plenty of trading opportunities to accumulate more shares if you believe in the company. Of course, it's not financial advice to tell you to buy or sell any stocks out there. It's just based off the news and the charts that I look at. You should also seek counsel before investing heavily into stocks, right? So again, I think we could start to see some movements higher. Another reason why I think we'll get to the 618 level is we have a descending trend line right here. We also have a big block of volume right here. We have no volume right here. So if we could break this block of volume at $1.35, I think we get a fast movement up to $1.55 to $1.60. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know, guys, if you want more DNA stock related videos. Comment down below, drop a like. That tells me people want this. Enjoy your day. We'll see you on the next one.